Ever wondered if owning an apartment really counts as owning real estate? Let's dig into what defines real estate ownership. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. Are apartments considered real estate? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, to sum it up, this person is diving into the idea of storing value in tangible assets instead of just money. They've realized that assets like land or food might hold value better. Now, they're curious about whether apartments have the same intrinsic value as houses, since both provide shelter. Their big question is whether, for an investor looking to maximize intrinsic value, owning a house is a safer bet than owning an apartment, considering the land ownership factor. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that real estate covers both land and buildings, known as improvements. Condos might appreciate slower than single-family homes, though data is unclear. Land in big cities tends to be more valuable than similar plots in suburbs. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. In this answer, it's explained that condos and co-ops are real estate options that usually cost less and offer less space than a house. Owners enjoy fewer responsibilities since a management company handles maintenance, and monthly fees cover shared services, appealing to those wanting less upkeep. Here's one last answer from original post on Stack Exchange. I'll quickly scroll through the answer so you can read it. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. And just like before, I'll be highlighting the main points of this answer for you in just a few seconds. One response points out that owning real estate, such as an apartment or condo, isn't always the best investment. Selling can be slow, and value gains often just match rising housing costs. Plus, maintenance and improvements might not significantly boost the resale value. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. Apartments are indeed real estate, since they provide a place to live. When you own a condo, you share ownership of the building's common areas. Houses generally have more intrinsic value because you own the land, which appreciates over time. However, apartments in great locations can also appreciate well and offer rental income opportunities. So, both property type and location matter in real estate investing. So, here's what we've learned. Apartments can be owned or rented, but houses often hold more intrinsic value because of their land. Location plays a big role, with prime spots boosting value. However, real estate isn't always a surefire investment, as value gains often just track with market inflation. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.